Ani bozo Josh Kochagan, this is Nakas, Kibane Shin Dolem, which means keeper of the medicine. We're going to be talking about the preamble. What's the preamble that was created by our elders on Manitoulin Island? And the preamble was to help the chiefs, our leadership, to do their opening, Chinakanegewan. And that preamble was developed to be part of our identity, but also identifies with regards to what our roles and responsibilities are and how we're going to be looking after our own environment. Mi banda en wing. Nungudan is it Anishinaabe. Devenjget isan Anishinaabe the king. Give Dwusnene Nedo Azwin. Shkode be a kip a noden. Give the Gundradene. We not then Mopi Shkakamangam. Devenjget give me none. It's 12 in Anishinaabe. On a castle. We not then get. We watch with it in. Devenjget give me none Anishinaabe. On Agdunchen. Nenda. Nijoswe Kilomadwin. Sagedwin, Dewewin, Nadenwin, Bukawin. Swadendiswin, Wikwazwin, Minakadewin. Devenchget Kimin Wana, Desben we, Minagdendwin. Come Nadendana, Rabishwebak, Minonango, Mego Ezwebak, Mino Yabe, Obishwebak, Mime Nakanigewin. So, when we talk about the preamble, we're talking about the land of the connection we have with it. So, in regards to our territory, we never really relinquished any land to any government. We were willing to share the resources in that environment in regards to that territory that we're in. So, for people that think that we given up our land or we've been conquered in regards to that land, it's very false because we still have a connection in regards to that land in regards to how it's managed. So it's very important for us as Nishnaba people to understand their role and responsibility of that land and never to relinquish any rights in regards to it. Because if we protect our hunting and fishing territories, those are the things that we need to protect for our children for the next 7 generations and so forth. So it's really important for people to understand that these agreements or treaties, how I identify them, is very important for us to put ourselves first in regards to what we need, what we utilize as part of our sustainability.